Welcome to all for the process planning and cost estimation class lecture. In the first unit, the definition for the process. Process is defined as any group of activities to obtain the required measure of the product with quality. In the manufacturing industry, the raw material is converted as product. That product should produce the required measurement and quality. That quality should satisfy the customer requirement itself. And then process planning. Process planning has been defined as the subsystem responsible for the conversion of design data to work instructions. Process planning department is intermediate department between the designing and manufacturing. So the information from the designing department will be converted as a working instruction, then that will transfer to the production department or manufacturing department. Process planning can also be defined as the systematic determination of the methods by which a product is to be manufactured economically and competitively. By using the different manufacturing methods, the product should be produced with in economical condition and with quality. That is the meaning of process planning. The next topic is process planning activities. By doing the process planning, what are the activities will be performed? First one is the material. The proper material for the product is selected through the process planning activity. Second, process selection. The process which is selected based on the process planning activity should use the economical status. Economical means the manufacturing cost to be reduced. And then machine selection. Proper machine will be selected for the manufacturing process. If the production rate is high, means we go for the high machine capacity. If we need the high quality of the product, means we will select the proper machine tool. It may be a CNC machine tools also. And then tool identification. Proper metal cutting tool will be identified through the process planning activity. And special equipment. For in the mass production industries, to hold the job, they are using the different types of the work holding devices such as jigs and fixtures. Such a kind of equipments will be identified through the process planning activity. And then inspection tool. After completion of the manufacturing process, the component which is produced from the manufacturing department will be inspected. The product size and shape and other technical parameters are verified with the design data, design department documents. And then methods for the process planning or approaches for the process planning. First method to do the process planning is manual process planning. In this, only man potential is utilized. And then second one is computer aided process planning. In this, the computer, both hardware and software, will be used to do the process planning. Then third one is retrieval type approach. Fourth one is generative approach, and the fifth one is semi-generative. Both man and machine potential will be used here. And then process planning procedure, in which order the process planning work will be done. First one is the preparation of working drawing. The document received from the design department, then it will be determined by the process planning department engineer, and they are prefer the work drawing to produce the product in the manufacturing shop floor. And then second one is the design to make or buy intention. Some standard component will be purchased from the outside market. Some component will be manufactured in the industry itself. So based on the decision, which component will be purchased from outside or which component will be produced in the industry itself, that will be identified. Selecting manufacturing process. Proper manufacturing process will be selected based on the product. It may be a metal removal process, it may be a metal addition process, it may be a neutral process. There is no addition or a separation of the material from the parent object. And then fourth one is machine capacity and machine selection. Based on the quantity to be produced and the quality to be performed on the component, the capacity of the machine will be identified, and then based on the capacity and the required quality, the machine will be selected. It may be a conventional machine or special machine or CNC machine or non-traditional machine. Selection of material and bill of material. The material selection is very important factor. While doing the process planning, the functional requirement and serviceability of the component, the material will be selected for the component production itself. And then bill of material will be prepared based on the details of the drawings. Selection of jigs, fixtures and other attachments. To hold the job for the mass production, the special work holding devices such as jigs, fixtures and the other attachment will be selected. Operation planning and tooling requirement. In the process, so many operations will be performed on the product. The operations are followed in sequence order. Which operation will be carried out at first, which operation will be carried out at last, that will be identified. So based on the given instruction, the operations will be performed on the raw material itself. And the tooling requirement. To do the operation, which tool is required, how much quantity will be required, that will be identified. At the end, the process planning activity is prepared as a document such as operation sheet and the road sheet. In the operation sheet, what are the different operations will be performed on the raw material to convert as product, that will be specified. In the road sheet, the raw material in flow will be identified from one department to another department or one machine tool to another machine tool, that will be determined. First procedure, working drawing preparation. First work of the process planning is working drawing preparation. The drawing may be a 2-dimensional drawing or 3-dimensional drawing. That drawing will be prepared with the help of the manual drafting or computer aided drafting. In the drawing document, the following details will be notified. First one is geometrical shape of the component. Second, dimensions with tolerance. Based on the tolerance, machining allowances given on the component, that will be mentioned on the drawing itself. Third one is surface finishing requirement. Fourth one is heat treatment and surface coating requirement. And the fifth one is the bill of material. So these information should be furnished on the working drawing for the manufacturing of the product itself. So with this, we complete the process planning and cost estimation class lecturing 3rd. Thank you.